Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport is a revolution in the mid-size truck segment, combining a rugged persona with a modern-day sophistication. This versatile marvel is designed to suit both adventure and daily commuter. With an array of features and capabilities, the Tacoma TRD Sport emerges as a formidable choice for truck enthusiasts. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport lies a robust 2.4-liter turbo inline-4 gas engine made to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain churned out an impressive 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, ensuring a blend of performance and efficiency. Exterior and interior design. The exterior of the Tacoma TRD Sport exudes a bold and athletic stance, characterized by its lead line and a robust framework. On the side, the truck offers a comfortable and spacious cabin designed to accommodate 5 passengers. The ergonomic design ensures a pleasant driving experience, whether traversing rugged trail or cruising through a city street. Versatility. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport boasts its versatility, offering a blend of comfort, utility, and off-road capability. With 8 different trim levels, the Tacoma provides a range of options to suit varying needs and preferences. Connectivity and tech features. The 2024 model is re-engineered to enhance connectivity, ensuring driver and passengers stay connected to the world even while on the go. The integration of modern tech features adds a layer of convenience, making every journey enjoyable. Pricing. Although the exact pricing details are yet to be confirmed, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport stands as competitively priced option in the mid-size truck category. With its array of features and capabilities, it offers value for money for those seeking a reliable and stylish truck. Conclusion. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport is more than just truck. It is a statement of a rugged elegance and modern functionality. With a potent engine, versatile feature, and a comfortable interior, it stands as a compelling choice for those in search of adventure and daily utility alike.